And you can find my videos on the place that I am showing you on the slides. You can click on it and then you can reach. And so let's look at graphing polygons in coordinate plane. So we did this one actually in the coordinate plane, but we didn't really connect the dots and then make the shape. Okay, while we were working around the graphs. So one thing that is important and mostly ignored by students is naming your coordinate points is very important. Because, for instance, you are in the ocean, in the middle of nowhere. You don't see any land, you don't see any sign or anything, and you lost your way. Okay, how are you gonna find your way with the machines that the boats are given? They give you coordinates, okay? Your coordinates have a name. They don't say it coordinates unknown, because then it would be very bad for you. Nobody can find you, okay? Especially if you are in the middle of the ocean, you don't have a fuel and you don't have a gas. You need the fuel in order to find the closest land, but well, like what are you going to do? You can contact with people, but then you have to tell them your coordinates, and those coordinates have a name, and so those numbers and the parentheses are very important. Please do not ignore that. Okay, this is a real life lesson. Okay, and this is the same as like when you're going in a, for instance, you're going for a vacation in Dubai and you're in a that desert and you lost your way. How are you going to find yourself? They will give you probably satellite phones or something like that to locate you, and you can tell them coordinates. Okay. Anyways, let's move on. And then in this video that they were telling about the graphing polygons, but my video is better than that. And so I am talking about now. I wanted to use Desmos, but if we can't use it because I think this is good for graphing, so I won't be able to use it. But I can do this. I can you, and then I can. Here is a coordinate plane, and it's in front of me, and I can use it. So now, I'm sorry about my voice. I'm sick for like forever now. Every time my son comes sick, I get sick too. The vertices of a quadrilateral are W, 2, 2, -1. So I need to find 2, 2, -1. I am looking at it. So I will write in here, actually. 2, 2, -1. So when I look at like this one is the x coordinate because x comes before y. Okay, and now I will change the color. I'll make it a little bit better, and then I'll actually make it a little bit thicker, so it will be, yeah. Okay, so then I will find in the x 2 in here, and then I will move to a -1 on the y-axis. So -1 is in here, so I will, oops, too fast, this, and then I will write 2 to -1 next to the point because coordinate names are important. Then I will have x 2, 2, 2. So I will make another color for this one. 2, 2, 2. So it is basically, if I have to, and then x 2, 2, 2. Okay, and then I will choose blue and look at it. Y, -2, 2, 2. So in the x, I will go here. -2 to 2, I will go up until 2. And so this one is y, -2 to 2. And the last one will be green. Let's see. And that one is the -2 to -1. -2, oops, sorry, -2 to -1. So it is here. So the -2 to -1. And so I do have all the things. Now, what do I have to do? This is a quadrilateral, they told us. So that means I have to basically make a shape out of these. This is not a good color to see. Maybe this one. Yeah, this, and then this, and this. As you can see, our quadrilateral is in here, and this is actually a rectangle. As you can see, they're all equal. I mean, they're all like looking similar. So like here, this one, two, how many? One in here, two is here. So the length, the width is 3, and then the length is 2 and 2, 4. Okay. So we find that I give you extra information. Find the perimeter of each rectangle graphed in the coordinate plane. What do? I will just do new, and then I will now see this one. I am making it bigger because it's easier to work with it like that. Let's work the perimeter of each rectangle graphed. Well, in this one, basically you will do the same thing that I did in the other thing. You will find the distance between this thing. So this is 5, but I don't think it's going from 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 6. In here, it's a 6. So that means this is 6 in here. Actually, I'll find that, but I have to first find this part, and that is 6. And then this part is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh, they already give thing, but that's okay. We find it. 10. Okay, and then this is one side, and then this one is also 10. And then I will look at in here. So this one is 1, 2 to -3. So here, let's change the color. Here is 3, and then near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay, and then this one is 8, and then that means this whole thing is 11 and 11. So the perimeter, I can't say this one. Adding all the sides, okay? So 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 11. Now, miss, you didn't have to do this. You can make it multiplication. Yes, I could do 2 times 10 plus 2 times 11, okay? And they both would be 20 plus 22, which will be 42, okay? And you can do this one by yourselves. I am looking at the other one. Now, it is like going to do a different kind of stuff. This is like line of symmetry is in the middle of the shape. So you will basically draw the same shape in here too. And that's done in here. So they are trying to show you the symmetry. This is very important, especially in calculus. You will use symmetry too. Complete the following symmetrical logo. Then click on the vertices below. So you will make the same shape in here. For instance, I'll just do this differently in this kind of thing. Here, if they give you a shape like this, if I am talking about the symmetry, then this is the symmetry line in this one, symmetry line for me. And then this will have the same shape as, okay, I didn't measure it, I just did it. You have to have these things, have to be same, okay? And then this one with this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. They all have to be like corresponding, so they have to be same with each other for that question. And then you will do the same thing, same shape, in this other side with like mirror images, flipping it. It's like a reflection of you on the mirror. And then you will find all the vertices. Vertices are the sides of the things, and then so you will write the coordinates of these. You know that already. We talked about it in coordinate plane. in 2 weeks ago or so. So I hope you can do all of these, and I wish you a good summer. Oh, please do not forget your final knowledge check, and you'll be done. Next week, it will be just catching up, and you will all hopefully have a good grade before summer. Have a good week. Bye.